Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete Facebook accounts permanently on desktop. Okay, let's get into it guys. As you can see, I have opened facebook.com, and if you want to delete your account, you can go to your profile here. Then you can go to the settings and privacy, and I'm going to choose settings. Okay, and you will see this menu guys, the Meta account center, and using this account center you will be able to delete your Facebook account permanently. I'm going to go to the account center, and then we can go to the personal details, and here you can choose account ownership and control, and here you can choose deletion if you want to delete your Facebook. Okay, just select the account that you want to delete, then select delete and click on continue. Yeah, okay guys, and that's all the way to delete Facebook accounts permanently. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.